Amazon rebrands free streamer IMDb TV as Amazon Freevee.
What? I love this title, man. That's why I put it
There's
on.
a lot of rhymes going on there. IMDb TV, Amazon Freevee. Freevee is like TV, but free.
Yeah.
V. It's a pretty good name, actually. I presume, because I don't know what this is, but this is a free streaming service.
Yes, it's an ad-based streaming service.
You got to watch some ads. Amazon is rebranding its free streaming service. I didn't even realize. I mean, definitely IMDb TV is a bad name, even though I love IMDb.
Yeah.
It's as a TV streaming service.
No.
Effective April 27th, the Amazon-owned AVOD service, which is separate from its Prime Video service, says it has seen rapid growth in the U.S. during the last 2 years, tripling its monthly active users. The streaming platform also launched in the U.K. last September and will continue its international expansion with a launch in Germany later this year. Amazon Freevee aims to increase its slate of original programming by 70% in 2022, with a lineup that includes a new home design series, Hollywood House Lift with Jeff Lewis, along with scripted projects such as Prime Video spin-off Bosch Legacy. So this is like as if Prime was Amazon's HBO, then this would be their network television. Ad-supported,
Right, yeah.
free to use, free for everyone. Over the past 2 years, we have seen tremendous growth for our AVOD service and are committed to bringing audiences premium, free-to-consumer content. Jennifer Salk, head of Amazon Studios, said in a news release, "We're looking forward to building on," scroll, "the momentum with an increasing slate of inventive and broadly appealing originals, and are excited to establish Amazon Freevee at the premier AVOD service as the premier AVOD service with content audiences crave."
Wow. Yeah, they said they're going to increase their content, new content on there by a lot. If you scroll down, Will, I know they gave a percentage. Oh, maybe they did not.
No, they did. I think, was it like 70 or something?
Yeah, something crazy. Oh, did you read it already?
Original programming, 70% in 2022. Yeah, I read it. As well as some of the examples, like Hollywood House Lift. I think what happens is that like a celebrity gets a facelift on their house.
Right, like a house makeover.
Oh, that's what it sounds like to me.
For people in Hollywood.
People love those type of shows.
Yeah.
That's what it sounds like to me.
Mm-hmm.